तो थोड़ा मसाला तो है भाई, इधर दिल्ली में कुछ चल रहा है
मसाला, दिल्ली में पोल्यूशन
कुछ अनक्लियर लग रहा है मेरे को. Game on on day 3. प्लीज वो जापानीज वाला पिक्सेलेशन कर देना इधर, ठीक है? थोड़ा महंगा कर देना. बट यू वांट टू वेक अप एंड बी फ्रेश फॉर BGT.
So papara Nescafe.
Who's the greater daddy? Virat, I just looked up. Kela is back.
Yeah, Aram and Haram ko.
Welcome to Cricket episode number 27.
It is Ajinkya Rahane. Jinx for a reason.
Jinx for a reason. How poetic कि
Oh
jinx
my.
आ गया है. Right in time. हम लोग कैसे कर रहे हैं ये? How are we doing this?
Dude, अभी भी मैं वो मुझे यार पता नहीं रहाने को लेके ना ऐसे पर्सनल
हाँ.
ये लगता है एक तो बिकॉज ही इज लाइक अ नाइस मिडिल क्लास मराठी बॉय
Yeah.
फ्रॉम मुलुंड who
Yeah.
now stays in Matunga,
हाँ.
you know, so I have a long connection with him. I am from very close to Matunga originally, not going to disclose.
Wow, अब docs कर दे कुछ. Exact address.
Used to be
Exact coordinates, but it's a
captain of BGT.
yes, winning captain. I think no other captain, I'm guessing, has 100% winning record in BGT.
Yeah.
Right, one and done.
Virat.
Yeah, he's
Virat,
lost.
he lost he won the 2018
Haan.
one, but before that
He's
interim he changed, no? In the middle.
Yeah, he's lost.
Right in the middle of the tournament we changed, right? Dhoni left and
as
Kohli became
captain, he's not lost in Australia, BGT as captain.
No, I think they've gone 2018.
Yeah.
Which we won.
2021 he left,
yeah,
so we
he
can't
left.
count.
So yeah,
him.
so it's him and
Oh fuck,
Yeah.
Kohli भी है भाई.
Kohli भी हो गया भाई.
Yeah,
मतलब
that's
है.
crazy. भाई रहते ही है.
2015 लेकिन वो interim I think after Dhoni left, I'll just have to, I don't remember
Yeah.
who became captain.
क्या बोल दो comments में if
जो,
you're right or wrong. If there are any other captains with 100% winning records.
In Australia.
Yeah.
But yes, रहाने
Jinx
की
तो है
बात करें
भाई.
तो भाई अभी बहुत ही ज्यादा महसूस हो रहा है उसकी कमी, बट
बिकॉज ये टीम में बहुत कुछ हो रहा है अभी. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू से कि हमने शुभमन
अपनी उंगली बचाना साले क्या
thumbs
कर रहा
down,
है.
thumbs down to Shubman for breaking his thumb.
And that too in the slips,
In
not
the,
even
in
while
the
batting.
slips.
Yeah.
And in the simulation. भाई एक चीज तो simulation एक term मिसयूज मत करो तुम
इसको
लोग.
प्रैक्टिस मैच बोलते
हाँ.
हैं, फ्रेंडली
सिमुलेशन बाय डेफिनेशन आई वुड थिंक इज अ थिंग जहाँ पे तुम्हें कुछ हो नहीं सकता.
हाँ, जहाँ पे VR का चश्मा
हाँ.
लगा के वो जो 600 रुपए का आता है ना, एक वो आते को ऐड है कभी वो VR का चश्मा लगा के बैटिंग करो,
तो वही करना चाहिए. स्लिप्स में ऐसे प्रिटेंड करो कि बॉल आ रहा है. भाई थम क्यों तोड़ रहे हो अभी?
अरे यार
रियली सैड. तो शुभमन्स आउट, उसकी जगह देवदत्त पैडिकल आएगा.
Devdutt Padikkal is coming and shout out to Rohit Sharma for the baby.
रोहित भाई he heard us and he's like बच्चा भी करूंगा, मैच भी स्किप करूंगा. क्या कर लेगा तू? He's going to miss the match as well.
Yeah.
But see,
Devdutt Padikkal.
Yeah, Devdutt Padikkal.
Your boy from
My boy
from
Bangalore.
Bangalore. Ex Bangalore.
Ex Bangalore. वो तो एक्स ही होता है सब. एक ही आदमी है जो एक्स नहीं हो रहा अभी भी, जो अभी लंदन शिफ्ट होने वाला है.
वो इंडिया एक्स है.
But we have a visitor. I want to jump on right now. Whenever she jumps, एक बहुत बड़ा announcement करेंगे हम about her.
Big खुलासा होने वाला है.
Yeah.
Literally.
But क्या बोल रहे थे? हाँ, so रोहित शर्मा, this is what I was thinking कि वो out है.
हाँ.
He has taken off to be with his wife. Very good husband.
Yes.
But
we support you, Rohit.
We support Rohit, but also I feel there is an element of pressure because you're always competing with Virat. मतलब who's the greater daddy? Virat, I just looked up. First baby 3 test matches he missed when the first baby was born. जो ये 2021. Second baby पूरा 5 match series against England he missed.
So must be a one day.
No test.
What?
8 test matches missed.
Oh my God. Okay.
8 Thala plus 1 for a reason. So I mean Rohit is competing against this.
I mean Rohit maybe has 8 more test matches left in his career.
He might just have to retire right away.
If he's missing 8 test matches.
Yeah, actually when Rohit had his first kid, he was himself in and out of the team. तो इतना miss नहीं किया. The team
he was
didn't
himself in his diapers, in his cricketing diapers.
2018 diaper में नहीं थे.
अच्छा.
Fair enough. But yeah, so it's because the fan bases will talk now. Who's the greater daddy? हमारा daddy तुम्हारे daddy से better है. वो सब चलेगा.
Mumbai daddy की London daddy.
Namaste London. But तो अभी Rohit, we don't know how long he's going to be away.
Yeah.
Hopefully it's just the one match. You have to.
Shami and Rohit both they are saying they'll put on the same flight.
Yeah, दोनों का delivery हो रहा है अभी. Shami delivering in the nets. Rohit. Shami, they are saying is उसका भी थोड़ा weight loss करना पड़ेगा because he's been sitting a long time.
And
तो अभी खेल
they'll
के
have to go on I think a lactose free diet for some time.
उसके run up में 2-3 steps add करेगा. अभी वो शोएब अख्तर run up करेगा just to add some.
Yeah,
steps.
he was looking very slow. I don't know if you saw the.
Yeah, I saw a bit, but he did pick up 7 wickets. So of course he will do that. That's Shami. Shami just comes and takes wickets. That's what he does. He's just done that forever.
He's always delivering.
Yeah, no matter what. How much hair is on the head, the delivery stays the same. कभी-कभी टकला रहता है.
बाल के seam position का पता नहीं.
Yeah.
But actual seam position.
Yeah. But Rohit is out for the first test, so Padikkal is in. और क्या हो रहा है?
Shubhu is also out.
Shubman Gill is out.
Padikkal is out.
So Rohit is out. Shubman, you said, is out.
Is out, yeah.
और बस.
Now we are getting Padikkal in. So
yeah.
what is
and
your top?
Of course, the opening pair is interesting because Kela is back. My statistician friend told me कि in 2019 when Rohit had his first kid, he missed a test match.
Okay.
And he was replaced by Kela then also. So Kela gets a chance again. Thanks.
Kela is not having a child at all.
Yeah, Kela strategically avoiding kids.
like मैं career के बात करूँगा क्योंकि already अगर वो एक test match miss कर ले कोई आके 150 रन इंडिया में तो नहीं करना चाहिए.
No chance, no chance.
ऑस्ट्रेलिया में कर ले ताकि at least people are like no see KL is not bad.
That's true. Like, but if KL takes a match off, statistically we lose fewer runs as a team. तो इतना loss नहीं होगा. So he can take a match off.
Yeah, but he's not going to.
No. I mean, maybe he always proves us wrong in these moments. अभी because he's right at the edge of कि अभी भाई खुद करना ही पड़ेगा अभी. So he'll do it.
Yeah, I feel. What do you think? Like, okay, मेरे को थोड़ा सा तरस आता है उसके लिए because मेरा भी वही है mixed feeling होता है because I'm like batsman as a batsman he's great.
He's so talented. You can just see it. He just got it, but it's just like I don't know, man.
But do you feel like dude, he's never gotten like one position. He can bat at any position.
That is true.
And
he's not held it down.
Exactly.
Position.
So I feel like that is also not
fair,
like,
not fair to him. Also
yeah, as much as I would also like to hate on him.
Like, but और क्या हो रहा है team में? What is you were reading up something?
I was reading about like एक तो ये तो साला एक तो हो क्या रहा है?
Oh, sorry. We have to interrupt. Here's something we're going to do now. We are not getting sponsorships yet, so we've decided proactively.
Yes, that we will take a break in the middle.
We will take breaks. What will you do? We will show your product. You've not paid us, but we're going to do it. So I'm going to start with one, okay?
Whatever, and the products are whatever is kept at home.
Yeah, whatever is here. So this show could be brought to you by Nescafe Gold.
Nescafe Gold.
Tomorrow morning, as we record this, BGT starts.
Yes.
Right? 7:50 a.m.
5 a.m. 6 a.m. No, Perth is little.
7:50 a.m. But still, you want to wake up, be fresh. You want to see the toss. You want to see the grass on the pitch, and you want to see everything. You want to hear Ponting and company speak or whoever's in the
Ponting and
commentary.
company speak for exactly 2 days.
Yeah, for 2 days. उस पे आते थोड़ा.
उसके आते.
But you want to wake up and be fresh for BGT.
So papara Nescafe.
That's right. Copyright strike आ गया.
No, I think is that brew or that's Nescafe
only? First get you starting. No, it's correct. Brew की माँ की नहीं
Nescafe Gold bhai.
Rich and smooth.
Sleepy Owl, if you want to get in touch with, as the young age, clutter breaking coffee company.
Yes.
If you want, we will throw this. What we'll do, we'll break it right live in front of this camera.
Yeah, because they've not sponsored us yet. This could be brought to you by, like we said. But if Nescafe, you want to do it, it says at the back, idhar kya likha hai?
Let's talk.
Yeah, let's talk. We can do it.
Why does it say let's talk?
I don't know. KYC hai unka, I guess. That's right. It's for everyone.
Coffee for everyone. Cricketers, especially test matches, they need to have 2 Americanos.
That's
per
right.
session, 1
That's
Americano.
Right.
It's a tough job. So let's talk. Can we get sponsorship by calling Nestle Consumer Care?
Yeah, why not? No one's done it before. Let's do it. Which button do we press in the IVR for sponsorship? For sponsorship, hash दबाइए. But yeah, that's one of our potential sponsors.
Sleepy Owl से मुझे बहुत hope है.
But we'll be back with more in a few minutes.
Yes.
So remind us.
Yes. So I'll tell you what is happening. Number one तो ये simulation करते हैं. ठीक है. उसके बाद मेरे को लग रहा है ये media is like trying to confuse us because they are saying, oh, this guy is bowling now. That guy is bowling in the nets now. Oh, this one's not bowling. So now top 6 everybody is saying is
This
kind
is
of
mind games चल रहा है.
या मेरे को भी लग रहा है कि ये लोग पुजारा को पहले पुजारा कमेंट्री कर रहा है.
Yes.
Yes.
मुझे लग रहा है पुजारा को पैड अप करा के लाएंगे.
पज्जी वही बोला कि आप पुज्जी आप आ जाओ. I was watching some random videos like पुज्जी आपको bowling में मैं कर दूंगा नेक्स्ट में. किट बैग लेके आ जाना.
It'll be funny.
ये what do you think if this is a mind game like कि पुजारा actually turns out
Dude, I think I'm all for it. थोड़ा हम भी mind games खेल लिया. अभी हमारे साथ बहुत खेल लिया इन्होंने. अभी पॉन्टिंग ने हमारे साथ खेल लिया.
पॉन्टिंग ने खेला
वो जो हमने बात किया था ना विराट के बारे में बोला था कि एनी अदर प्लेयर वुड बी ड्रॉप बाय नाउ. ये सब बोल दिया.
ग्लेन मगराज ने भी बोल दिया विराट डाउन लाइक इमोशनल लाइक जस्ट गेट हिम नाउ.
गंभीर ने भी ओन गोल मार दिया विद हिज रिएक्शन विद हिज ट्रेडमार्क रिएक्शन. तो अभी थोड़ा हम भी खेलते हैं भाई.
तो देखो ये पॉडकास्ट मोस्टली सैटरडे तक आने वाला है रात तक. आज क्या है थर्सडे व्हेन वी आर रिकॉर्डिंग. सो मैच स्टार्ट्स टुमारो मॉर्निंग and Saturday will be day 2 night.
Yes.
So first though everyone saying top 6 is going to be simple. Yashasvi, KL, Padikkal, Kohli, Pant, Dhruv Jurel, or whatever vice versa. So 6. So ये sorted है हमारा. ठीक है. यहाँ तक सबको पता है.
हाँ. जो इसके नीचे पता नहीं है.
बाद 7 नंबर पे धोनी.
मतलब यहाँ पे तो धोनी है. But one thing is for sure, I think कि दो स्पिनर नहीं खिलाएंगे on Perth. If they do play 2 spinner, that would be crazy.
Now so this is what the thing is. Like पहले हम लोग बोल रहे थे अरे बैटिंग में क्या होने वाला है ये वो confusion. Bowling तो is pretty clear. Now again the thing is Ashwin has been bowling in the nets quite a lot. Like Jaddu has also been bowling. You know, and Ashwin was even reading the pitch. Washi has also been like they've been bowling well. Like 40-45 minutes they've all been bowling in the nets. So
बट किसको खिलाएंगे भाई? सी सिराज बुमराह आर 100%. They are locked.
Now suddenly Prasidh Krishna, no not Prasidh, Harshit Rana is in the.
He's in the mix because he bowled well in the simulation. I don't know उसने शुभमन का thumb तोड़ा है. That would bring him into the team directly.
What is this like KKR takeover of the Indian team?
भाई I'm all for it.
I think number 7 पे Dre Russ खेलने वाला है.
कोई भी लंबा आदमी आ जाए टीम में मैं खुश हो जाता हूँ. हर्षित राणा लंबा है, उसका बॉडी भी है, 145 फेंक देता है वो. So I'm all for it. Although I thought
I am more for the shorties, so like Sarfu.
Sarfu का उसका pace अच्छा.
Every ball no ball for Sarfu.
That advantage is there.
Perth में मतलब it's not as bouncy as it used to be, but I think Sarfu can hit his whatever those uppercuts and whatever cuts that he hits.
बट तो क्या कौन है? अश्विन होगा क्या टीम?
So now अभी ये तो 6 तो हमने बता दिए. अभी बुमराह है of course. सिराज भी होने ही वाला है मोस्टली तो.
DSP. Yes.
DSP BlackRock along with तो ये 2 हो गए. अभी प्रसिद्ध बोल रहे सडनली इसमें हर्षित राणा is also there.
I think one of the two will be the Prasidh or Harshit. And
मुकेश कुमार
नितिन कुमार रेड्डी, right?
No, there's
मुकेश कुमार रेड्डी. नहीं मुकेश कुमार.
Nitish Kumar Reddy and Mukesh Kumar are 2 different people. These South Indians, I must say, these Bangaloreans.
सब mix हो गया मेरे सर में. Who is the all-rounder guy? That's Reddy,
Nitish
right?
Kumar Reddy.
Yes.
And Mukesh Kumar is a different.
मुकेश कुमार क्यों खेलेगा?
वो नेट्स में डाल रहा है.
नहीं यार, मुकेश कुमार नहीं खेलेगा.
वो बस डाल रहा है. तो आकाशदीप भी डाल रहा है. तो आकाशदीप
भाई आकाशदीप भी नहीं खेलेगा. क्या बोल रहा है डूड तू?
बट यू नो लाइक एक को थोड़ा सा ऑफ द विकेट थोड़ा इधर उधर करने वाला इज आकाशदीप. लाइक उसको थोड़ा दे probably go on the front foot to him.
Let's do this when this comes out. Already 1-2 days will be over.
तो हमारे 6 तो हमने बता दिए. तो बाकी के 5 में पहले तो ये पकड़ ले. बुमराह एंड सिराज
100%
पकड़ लो.
I think हर्षित राणा खेलेगा because KKR.
Okay.
मेरा सेकंड टीम फ्रॉम माय हार्ट. और एक स्पिनर रहेगा तो आई वुड गो विद अश्विन बिकॉज ही कैन आल्सो बैट एंड बिकॉज आई एम जस्ट नॉट आई एम स्कैर्ड ऑफ आवर बैटिंग. तो
I'll go with Washi.
Oh yeah, Washi, no
Yeah.
Washi. Let's go to Washi.
Washi
नहीं,
is
Ashwin
there.
बैट भाई, आज Washington को लेते हैं. थोड़ा youth को लाते हैं भाई. Also this is like he's like a bogey player for them. They'll remember that memory
Yeah,
will be there. कि
exactly.
ऑस्ट्रेलिया में थोड़ा kill किया है उसने पहले.
I have a feeling they will go. Okay, I have a feeling it will be Siraj, Bumrah, Prasidh Krishna. Okay, although I feel pace like they might go with an Akashdeep because थोड़ा इधर उधर वो कर सकता है. Like थोड़ा swing वाले में या off the seam he might get some.
ठीक है.
Okay, and the fourth could also be like Nitish Kumar Reddy could be a complete like a punt. Like,
yeah,
let's
because
try this.
Saurav Ganguly has said you should take him in the team.
Yeah?
So yeah.
Dada's backing?
I have to back my.
Your Dada?
Yeah, my father would prefer that I back Dada, so I will go with Dada's opinion.
Okay,
Reddy bhi khelega.
so we are saying that in the next 5 it is Bumrah, Siraj, Akashdeep or Prasidh Krishna, Nitish Kumar Reddy and Washi. So
Yeah.
we are completely not going with one spinner, like an extra spinner. Like
No, two spinners. That's a bad decision at Perth. I think even at Brisbane, though these two में नहीं खेलेंगे दो spinner. और also where will we be? अभी ये सब छोड़, serious छोड़. अभी बोल where will we be when this airs? What will be the, let's give if India bats and India bowls.
Okay, चलो तो मैं पहले तो बोल रहा हूँ 2 दिन में मुझे लग रहा है हम 3rd innings तक पहुँचने वाले हैं. ठीक है.
We are on the same page here. 3rd innings.
मेरा पहला सबसे गोल है कि day 1 पे मुझे सुबह उठना है.
हाँ.
Before one
down.
Yeah.
It's the toughest.
Yeah.
कि तुम opener से पहले उठो.
Yeah, dude, that's always going to be tough. So
Yeah.
okay, I say okay if India bats.
Yeah.
Okay, I say India is scoring 287
Respectable.
to 310. Chal.
That's a very
I'll give
good
a zone.
start.
Yeah,
That's a huge score in Test cricket
yeah,
these days.
Yeah. And I would give the
Aussies lead or no lead?
no Aussies. I'll give them a lead of 40 runs. So I
Okay.
would say like 350-ish.
So game on day 3.
So this is if India bats first.
ठीक
And
है.
star players for India, I think again Pant will get like a
Good one.
40 to 70
ठीक है.
के बीच में.
ठीक है.
And Kohli will, I don't know what he'll get. Kohli is.
Okay. तो तू बोल दिया बैटिंग. I'll tell the bowling then
हाँ.
and उस पे छोड़ देते हैं.
चल, ठीक है.
If India bowls first,
हाँ.
I think we will not be at the 3rd innings. ठीक है.
मतलब we'll be
मतलब
at the
Aussies will
bat out the entire day.
They'll bat out day 1.
Okay.
They'll bat out day 1 with 5 wickets down.
5 wickets down.
Yeah.
So, but they'll be at like an odd
They'll be
275.
at no, I think they'll be at they might get to 300 because they'll score at a fast clip. First day, Australia come out brash in their home series. They want to show you. They want to be aggressive. और हमारे bowlers will just be figuring it out. And then day 2 days will be over, right? We are saying. So second day पे we'll get them at. We'll come back strong first session.
If you're getting the 5 wickets on first day, around 290 to 300.
Yeah, so
then 370 तक
370 बोल देता हूँ मैं all out.
And
then India would be at 180 odd for 4. Oh. Yeah, that's where we'll be at. ठीक है. And हमारा star player in this situation is no real star player, but I think I think first innings में Bumrah will not be the star. He'll be the star later. So
I agree. I agree with that as
Siraj will take 4 wickets. मैं बोल रहा हूँ. And
Prasidh will take 2.
Yeah, early encounter by Siraj and Prasidh will take 2. हाँ, ऐसे छोड़ता हूँ मैं.
Yes.
So you'll tell us immediately.
अरे,
it's a sponsor time. Before that, just you tell us right now in the comments how close we were to what we just predicted, and insult us if we are way off. Sponsor time.
Let's see what we have.
Yeah, so this show could also be brought to you by.
Should I get this?
Go for it.
Dry syrup for cats. Because Billy Bowden just got neutered.
Beat up pet. what does this do? पहले बोल दे फिर उस पे तो मैं रिफ कर सकता हूँ नहीं तो समझ में नहीं आएगा मेरे को.
So after neutering the cat, you got this is a medicine.
Oh, this is a huge scoop by the way, guys. The reason you are not seeing Billy Bowden right now, her energy is a little low. Oh no, it's quite high actually. She's attacking Antriksh.
So after cat neutering, pet care is very important. Just like we are going to neuter Australia.
Absolutely. And you know how far we've gone to get this sponsorship Beta Pet? 19 November 2023, India suffered one of its greatest losses.
Yeah.
So to commemorate that, 19 November 2024, Billy Bowden has suffered the greatest loss of her life.
Yeah.
She is now without a certain part of her.
If you want to see.
प्लीज वो जापानीज वाला पिक्सेलेशन कर देना इधर, ठीक है? थोड़ा महंगा कर देना.
She's a औरत now.
Arey. So yeah, great losses on November 19th. One more added to the list.
Yes. Bigger one.
Bigger one. So always remember how far we'll go for sponsorship.
Yes.
So please.
If you want, we'll neuter her again.
We'll get more cats.
Yes. Beta Pet.
Paid partnership mein we'll keep bringing in animals. So Beta Pet, let us know. No one else is
paid partnership.
shouting you out.
Please give us paid partnership.
Yeah.
Antriksh, how much is your Sherwani for? 34 lakhs, guys.
Barter.
It's been tough on Antriksh.
Barter trade करते हैं. एक शेरवानी दे दो बस.
Yes, if there is Shantanu and Nikhil, if you're watching, as you know, the designer world and the cricket world, they merged together at Lakme Fashion Week.
That's right. So yeah, that's our second potential sponsor. We have many more. We will go through them.
We'll go whatever you guys have. Let us know in the comments if there's any particular brand you want us to mention.
Yeah, for the next time, because we'll do this every episode now. So, abhi, I have a next topic. ठीक है?
Okay. Glenn McGrath is sledging.
Glenn McGrath is sledging us.
Everybody's been sledging us.
Everybody's been sledging us. Ricky Ponting has been sledging BCCI.
Yeah.
Because of a very specific thing. This is pretty cool. Ricky Ponting and Justin Langer are commentating Channel 7 या उनका जो ऑस्ट्रेलिया में नाम सब ऐसे नंबर ही होता है, वो नाम भी नहीं देते, लेजी. ठीक है, Channel 7 commentary team. But 24th or 25th of this month, this is during the first test. Maybe test could be over by then.
On day 2. 40 wickets. Is the wicket like some Chennai? Drop in. During
Ashwin
Anna getting 12 at Perth.
Picked twice. वो दो लोग के लिए खेलेगा. So Ricky Ponting is also coach of Punjab Kings now, and Justin Langer LSG.
Lucknow,
So they have to leave in the middle of the test to go for the IPL auction because Jay Shah, हमारे डैडी ने during the test match, सबके डैडी जय शाह ने अपना auction रख दिया है during Border Gavaskar, while our cricketers and Australian cricketers are playing.
While they're thinking about
their purse.
Yeah, they're like कि वैसे भी ये match में पता नहीं क्या होने वाला. Let's try to hit like 40 ball 92.
And actually, now that I think,
Kookaburra ball.
Now that I think about it, this is how you get KL Rahul to perform. He's going under auction.
Oh yeah.
So
even Rishabh is
Pant also, Ashwin also.
Oh.
So this is a Jay Shah, dude, master stroke.
I think they should only pick like players that are going. So
they
should drop Kohli for this test match. Yashasvi
retained players should be dropped.
What about Yashasvi? Is he?
I think Jaiswal is retained. I'm sure by Rajasthan. If they not retained him, that's insane.
Yeah.
But this is a great thing. Always do keep doing every test के पहले auction कर दो during the test. KL will perform every match.
Yeah.
So
but yeah, and they have to go to Jeddah.
Jeddah, why is it Saudi? क्या हो रहा है भाई? इंडिया में क्या problem चल रहा है?
वैसे भी वहाँ पे उनको कंदूरा पहन के करना पड़ेगा, तो किसी को भी वो भेज दो as replacement.
That's true. But I was just thinking, what a life these people have. Ponting, Justin Langer, commentary कर रहे हैं BGT में, then they go IPL auction 2 दिन के लिए.
Suddenly, imagine, and they're saying we hope that we come back by the end of the test match.
Mad.
Like first of all, like delusional AF, Ponting and Langer, that they think that this match will survive for 5 days.
Yeah, 5 days.
What is 5-day test match?
I've not seen rain prediction to wash out 2 days in the middle in Perth.
I've not seen 2 things in like recent times or ever in life. Loch Ness Monster
and day 5.
And day 5 of a test match. I think if we go till day 5.
Yeah, so Ponting and the Langer will be missing, but they'll
come back for the second test.
And IPL auction में you did mention Pant is going under the hammer. इस पे भी कुछ चर्चा हुआ है. Sunny Paji has said कि I can't believe Delhi didn't retain him, which makes sense.
Yeah.
And he said कि I think it's because money. Sometimes these players have a conversation with the team about the money, so फिर से खरीद लेंगे उसको auction में.
RTM, right to match.
And then Pant has responded to that
Yeah.
in a tweet saying my retention or non-retention has nothing to do with the money.
Oh.
तो थोड़ा मसाला तो है भाई इधर दिल्ली में कुछ चल रहा है.
मसाला
The
दिल्ली में
smog-
पोल्यूशन.
कुछ अनक्लियर लग रहा है मेरे को. स्मॉग के बीच में दिख नहीं रहा है कुछ.
वो जब ये उठाए इसलिए दिल्ली में नहीं रख रहे.
I wonder that's why जेड्डा में कर रहे हैं, उधर स्मॉग नहीं है.
Yeah, usually it happens Bombay or Mumbai, Delhi.
Yeah, I don't understand why auction would be in Saudi. Somebody tell us. We don't know why.
Yeah,
So tell us.
Saudi government, if you want to sponsor us.
Yeah, एक चाकू है क्या तेरे पास? Saudi government. This could be brought to you by Saudi government. Yeah. Oil. Yeah.
Aramco, because हम भी आराम करते हैं.
Yeah, this podcast could be brought to you by Aramco.
Oh, because we love doing Aram and watching the match.
That's right.
That is our motto of life.
And the Indian cricket team will be a well-oiled machine by the end of this series. So Aramco, biggest oil brand of Saudi.
We are Aram and Haramco.
Aramco, the rival brand.
Haramco, please. Yes, so that's what we need.
Yeah.
Wow, man, I think we are killing it with now we just guys, our viewers, we want to ask you a question.
Yes.
Are you guys anywhere in a position of power? It doesn't look like you guys have any power.
You're not pulling any strings for us.
Man, please pull strings or blankets or whatever it takes to get Antriksh the 34 lakh rupee sherwani and me and Shamik kurta to wear for Antriksh's wedding.
Thoda 30. Yeah, हमारा 15 lakh. We don't want to outshine the groom. So थोड़ा normal
this one Fab India.
एक दो diamond कम देना हमारे शो. चलेगा.
So 34 plus 30, 64 lakhs.
Yeah, absolutely. So और कुछ बाकी है क्या बोलने को?
नहीं, actually आज का episode was just been like हम लोग 2 टाइम से BGT ही
BGT कर रहे हैं, but we have made a prediction which as this episode you're watching this. हाँ, इधर मेरा थोड़ा इंजरी हो गया.
Simulation.
I'm also out of the squad.
Will Pukoski and Shamik have retired from cricket.
I've been bounced by Sarfaraz of all people. वो bowling कर रहा है अभी nets में. Shortest guy to bounce out, tallest guy in the net.
हमारा प्रसिद्ध कृष्णा.
Also, I feel like हम एक और sponsor plug कर सकते हैं because we did say Nescafe.
Yes.
Nescafe to wake you up, right?
Yeah.
So, but you need something to put you to sleep also.
Yes.
So you can.
Yes, I'll get it.
तू पास में. This podcast could also be brought to you by
Welly Restful Sleep.
That's right.
It's got melatonin, L-theanine, chamomile.
Yummy.
Yes, take one gummy.
My favorite.
20 minutes before bedtime.
Yeah.
Only on the days you have trouble sleeping.
So
which is
you will
day.
have every day of BGT test 1 you will have trouble sleeping. So restful sleep, morning mein Nescafe next to the bed.
Yeah. Along with some oil from Aramco.
Aramco.
While your pet
massage, body massage. While your pet is
getting post neutering care. Bye. Beta pet.
क्या restful sleep and
Cafe Gold.
Still a better love story than Twilight या जो भी बोलते हैं लोग.
Oh my god, what a old fucking 2012. ये कहाँ से भाई शमिक, इसलिए हम आगे नहीं जा पा रहे. अभी 9gag के बारे में बता.
Sorry guys, but if you don't sponsor us, you would be a boca. I'll say that for sure. That's for Bengalis only.
Yes.
So we've listed out our potential sponsors. It's now the lines are open.
Yeah, the ball is in your boundary lines. That's it, guys.
Yep.
पहले तो बताओ तुम लोग के कौन सही होने वाला है. मैं एक्चुअली हमने दोनों का अगेंस्ट प्रेडिक्शन दिया नहीं है अब तक. चलो ठीक है, चलेगा. पहले हमने दे दिया
कोलैब प्रेडिक्शन दिया हमने. एक विनिंग एक बैटिंग एक बॉलिंग वाला. सो देखते हैं क्या.
बीजीटी एक प्लेयर नहीं जीतेगा. इट्स अ टीम गेम, सो एवरीबॉडी नीड्स टू कोलैबोरेट.
Yeah, but do you think India will win the first test?
मतलब अभी सब वही बोल रहे हैं कि फर्स्ट टेस्ट जो जीतेगा उस पे डिपेंड करता है.
मतलब we just lean on history. We don't win first test usually.
I have a feeling
abroad
we'll win this time.
because सब उल्टा हुआ इस बार.
इस बार कुछ भी हो सकता है. न्यूजीलैंड इंडिया के जीत सकती है तो हम भी ऑस्ट्रेलिया जाके 4-0 भी जीत सकते हैं.
This is now गौतम गंभीर क्रिकेट का टैगलाइन. इस बार कुछ भी हो सकता है. The way it's been going. But yeah, it's a win. It could be a bittersweet moment if we lose the series. I want to say कि
Why bitter? Why sweet? Bitter तो
because
होगा.
गंभीर को निकाल
Oh nice.
Just kidding. We love you, Gigi. Won us 2
भाई
World
इधर
Cups.
आके पीट के जाएगा हमें.
You won us 2 World Cups
हाँ.
with help, but you
Yes.
were a big part of it.
75 and 97.
That's right. We never
You
forget.
remember.
हमारे टैटू है. मेरे लोअर बैक पे टैटू कर दिया मैंने. ट्रैम्प स्टैम्प है मेरा.
बटरफ्लाई के अंदर एक विंग पे 75. दोनों में नॉन मैन ऑफ द मैच. एक में धोनी, एक में इरफान पठान.
Shit, मैंने दो मैन ऑफ द मैच भी टैटू कर दिया. The ones you didn't get. But that's the episode. Let us know if there are any other sponsors you would like us to pitch for ourselves.
Please tell us.
Yeah, brands which could actually sponsor us. तो बता दो. We will do their plug-in.
Or any
next
other
episode.
brands you want will fit cricket really well.
Yeah, or if you have an idea for a brand you're going to start.
Yeah.
Please reach out.
This is a comment is Shark Tank India season whatever.
Let's build from the ground up.
Yes.
तुम हमारा EBITDA strong करते हैं हम.
Let's build from down under.
Down and down. That's right.
क्या बोला तूने EBITDA?
EBITDA पता है तेरे को?
नहीं, क्या होता है?
Shark Tank नहीं देखता भाई.
मैं देखा है.
भाई
India वाला.
EBITDA नहीं पता तो क्या पता भाई तेरे को?
मुझे
Let us know guys if you know
मुझे
the full
Ibn
form of
Battuta
EBITDA.
पता है.
Ibn Battuta is the longer version of EBITDA. बगल में जूता. That's the product. All right. That's
Yes.
the episode. See you next week. Hopefully
Bye,
you would have
bye.
won. Bye.